Hi, Cory Boldroff here with Remax, your neighborhood specialist. Coming to another open house, 2468 Woodrow Avenue over here in Simi, over right next to the Atherwood Elementary. If you want to come, cool off, have some ice cream, you can get some from Augusta Financial.
Would you like some ice cream?
You can get it from my little helper there. Come on in, it's a 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, about 1,781 square feet. Opens up into a nice living room. Come on in, we got a nice kitchen area, sitting area as well. Nice little island. We got lots of homes available in Simi. We've got some pocket listings and some off-market properties, so if you are interested, let me know. Got another little bedroom there. 2 kids' bedrooms, and it opens up into the master bedroom. Got a master bathroom, a walk-in closet, and his closet, which is for some reason always smaller. Alright, well, like I said, it's Cory Boldroff with Remax, your neighborhood specialist. If you're looking for a home or you're looking to sell your home, please let me know, and I will see you at our next open house.